Students, we will calculate force of attraction between two objects varying their masses and the distance between them. You observe, we are selecting values. Mass 1 as 220 kgs and mass 2 is 250 kgs and the distance between them is 5 meters. You observe here is meters. So, distance between them is 5 meters. Now, the force of attraction is value 1.53 into 10 to the power of minus 7 newtons. You remember this value. Now, we are increasing mass 220 kgs to 360 kgs. Now, it is increased to 2.50. 1.52 to it is increased to 2.50 newtons. Further, if you increase mass 1, it is increased. You observe, it is increased to 2.71 into 10 to the power of minus 7 newtons. You may increase mass 1 or you may increase mass 2. We are increasing mass 2 to 300 kgs. Now, it is further increased to 3.25 into 10 to the power of minus 7 newtons. So, what will we understand? If you increase the mass 1 or mass 2, then the force of attraction is increased. So, force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Again, you observe, you may decrease the masses. We are decreasing mass 2. You observe the value, first it is 3.25 newtons. We are decreasing from 300 kgs to 220 kgs. It is now decreased to 2.38 into 10 to the power of minus 7 newtons. So, what happened when we are decreased the mass, the force of attraction also decreased. So, the force of attraction is dependent upon the product of their masses. If the product is increased, force of attraction is increased. If the product is decreased, force of attraction is decreased. So, now we will observe the dependent on the distance between them. You observe, firstly we are putting masses as constant. See, now I am selecting another values. Now, it is 270 kgs, mass 1 is 270 kgs and mass 2 is 280 kgs. Now, force of attraction when they have distance of 5 meters is 2.10 into 10 to the power of minus 7 newtons. Now, you remember this value. Now, I am decreasing the distance between them. When you decrease the distance between them, the force of attraction will be increased. See, observe how it varies. It is now 2.10. I am decreasing to 4 meters. It is increased to 3.15 into 10 to the power of minus 7 newtons. So, you observe here, we are decreased the distance from 5 meters to 4 meters. So, force of attraction is increased. Now, again we are increasing the distance. You observe, if you increase the distance between them, the force of attraction will be decreased. You observe, it is now 3.15. Now, it is decreasing to 2.86, 2.73, 2.49, 2.28. Now, we are decreasing up to 6 meters. So, if you increase the distance, the force of attraction is decreased to 1.50 into 10 to the power of minus 7 newtons. So, students, you have to remember, if you decrease the distance between them, the force of attraction will be increased. See, observe, force of attraction is increased if you decrease the distance. If you increase the distance, force of attraction will be decreased. So, what we can understand, the force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them.